In these, the thymus gland is another one, and these glands don't actually filter the lymph. They're more kind of aggregations of lymphatic tissue that are strategically placed throughout the body. And if you think of the immune system as being soldiers in an army, then this mucosa-associated lymphatic tissue would be the army barracks. It would be where the soldiers are gathering together, ready to launch an immune attack if it was needed. We've got the lymphatic vessels through which lymph is flowing all the time, and lymph is this kind of clear plasma type liquid that bathes all cells, and it helps with transporting wastes away from cells. And so in terms of the immune system, you've got different bacteria and microbes within the lymph flow that the body's getting rid of, and they're filtered through these lymph nodes, which we can see there on the throat on this gentleman on the diagram. Within the lymph nodes we have macrophages, which are a key immune cell, and they help to filter out the viruses and bacteria. We've got the tonsils and the adenoids on there. So we have 3 different types of tonsils. We've got the lingual tonsils at the back of the tongue. We've got the pharyngeal tonsils, which are at the point where the nasal passages join up with the pharynx. And we have the palatine tonsils, which are on either side of the throat. And they're usually the ones that get swollen. And when people say they've got tonsillitis, they've got a really sore throat. And they're there to help protect us against the microbes that we might inhale or ingest. We've got the spleen there, which is about the size of a fist, and that has this high concentration of B cells and T cells. So again, it's like the army barracks for the B cells and T cells standing by there. And the bone marrow, which we'll come on to in a moment, because that's where the B cells and T cells actually start to grow. That's where they're maturing. So we have 2 different branches of our immune system. So we've got the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. The main difference is that the innate immune system